There's a hard-working fleet of trucks on our Australian roads, linking our regions, towns and cities. Their wheels turning keeps Australia moving. In our suburban and metro areas, there's an equally hard-working fleet of smaller trucks. When they do stop, it's typically for maintenance. And across Australia, there is an extensive network of diesel and commercial service workshops keeping these trucks on the road.
Hi, I'm Nathan Grant, General Manager of Ryco Commercial. With the current coverage across passenger, four-wheel drive and light commercial vehicles, your team will have seen plenty of Ryco filters. The range supports commercial vehicles typically found in local councils, waste management services and various logistic and mixed fleet operations. It's important that your team members know about the expanded coverage. They can now support accounts from passenger vehicles through to Japanese trucks. And they can now support those customers servicing the North American and European truck market.
Based on research conducted in 2020, we identified over 76,000 businesses in Australia that have over 600,000 trucks registered on our roads. Around 30% are involved in transport, but the bulk of the fleet are in mixed or non-freight operations. With over 728 truck dealerships across Australia, these dealers must source filters to suit the other trucks they maintain. There are 537 councils in Australia, and many utilise procurement businesses such as Local Buy. A typical council is maintaining a mixed fleet of vehicles, anywhere from 100 to 500 assets, from passenger and four-wheel drive to small truck and agricultural. We also have over 2,700 waste management businesses in Australia. These trucks tend to be older and are constantly working. Maintenance is critical and access to parts and filtration for service is consistent.
This range is targeted at commercial trucks with Japanese, North American and European applications. Beside the individual filters, we also provide the convenience of a single part number service kit.
When it comes to air filtration for these bigger trucks, here is a great example where the Ryco product not only meets but exceeds the OE specification. On two extremely popular air filters that suit Kenworth and Mack applications, our engineers increased the seal height to ensure optimal clamp load on the end cap. This is a critical component to the air filter, and a poorly sealed end cap could easily lead to a failed engine. The selection of Ryco HDA filters provide a family of filters for your customer to complete the required service. Keep in mind, these North American trucks are typically deployed on long freight routes and can be in for servicing every few weeks, resulting in constant replenishment orders.
It's also important to note that Ryco are here to support you with the new truck range. To assist with the new truck range, we have state-based business development managers. They know the product and the needs of the general fleet, council and industrial accounts. From individual filters to complete service kits, the range is very competitive. And of course you can be confident with your recommendation, as every filter is designed to meet or exceed the OE spec. We back that promise, having one of the only dedicated filtration labs based here in Melbourne. Our team of engineers ensures each product meets the required specifications across the key measure of efficiency, life and flow. Our engineers and product managers also strive to innovate, creating new products and solutions that make our customers' life easier. Our service kits are a great example, and you'll see one getting put together right here. Depending on the truck, every filter required to complete a lubrication service is included. It's all packaged in one box and listed under one part number. These Japanese truck kits even include a replacement sub-plug washer. This is a great value add and a point of difference between ourselves and our competitors. The Ryco team will continue to innovate, support and expand our truck filtration program. This year, our Japanese truck coverage will reach 96%.